companies like ourselves, N3N, in partnership with Cisco and SingleWire and other technologies, are looking at how we can address this ongoing challenge in school safety and campuses in general. How do we create a digital parameter to protect, and in the case of before, during, and after. So in the case of a critical event or mass shooting, how do we take some of the data, some of the information that we have on that campus, provide it in real time to the right people to be able to react and respond and alleviate some of the casualties.
What we put together was a foundational solution that we think every school should have. And that starts with access control, video surveillance, collaboration, notification, and a cybersecurity framework. With those 5 foundations in place, we think that every school can improve their safety. There's another group that we look at, and it's almost the forgotten group, and that's our teachers. So the teachers are also commonly faced with threats and harassment within the school environment.
The good news is that schools and campuses currently have systems in place that can be easily leveraged to identify any intruders or unauthorized individuals entering into a campus environment.
N3N provides, on top of our own Cisco solutions, a visualization and orchestration layer that expands the scope and capability of what we can provide within the safe school environment.
We can now visualize that data and bring it to an operator, to a security person in a dorm area or the police campus or a supervision type of operations center that can react to it in real time.
Our schools should really be safe havens where students can learn and be inspired, and teachers can teach in the way they want to teach and adopt new innovative technologies and solutions. So the end goal of placing technologies in schools to make them safer is really to reach the educational outcomes that the administrators and teachers and our students want and our parents expect and demand of us.
In fact, some states, like the state of Florida, has already put up to $400 million into a fund to address this particular issue and to help schools begin to consolidate and take an approach to begin to address the challenge of security on campuses.
Schools have invested a lot in technology over the years, and a lot of that technology can be reused. We're not talking about a wholesale replacement of everything that they have. We're looking at how do we take that foundation, ensure that they have all the key elements that they need, and most importantly, can those various safety and security elements communicate with one another in an orchestrated fashion?